I welcome all of you to watch this video. Now we are going to see about experiment number 8. Experiment number 8, the title is Study of Variable Speed Wind Energy Conversion System, PMSG. PMSG stands for Permanent Magnet Synchronous Generator. So the aim of the experiment is to study the variable speed wind energy conversion system using permanent magnet synchronous generator. So this is a study experiment. So we are going to see the various theoretical background regarding this system. So this is the theory, and then after seeing that the different topologies for the interfacing converter for wind turbine. So these are the various topologies, and this is the diagram. So the PMSG is interfaced through grid by means of rectifier inverter combination. So this has been given here, and these are the ABC shows the three interfacing converter sections shown differently in figures A, B and C, and then the history of the wind, and then how the wind machine works, the types of the wind machines. The wind machines are classified into horizontal axis and vertical axis wind turbines. So different diagrams and various theoretical background in the wind machines have been given, and these are the various components of the wind turbine. So the pitch angle control, rotor control, wind direction has been sensed, and then the wind blades will be rotating according to that, and there is a brake mechanism, yaw drive, yaw motor, and then gearbox is there, generator, the controller, speed controller, then the direction has been sensed by anemometer. So these are the components present in a wind turbine mill, and various components have been given. So various components, blades, brake, control, everything has been here as a study, it has been given. So after that the characteristics has been explained. So this is the characteristics between tip speed ratio and then power coefficient. So the tip speed ratio and then has been drawn in the x-axis, and power coefficient has been drawn in the y-axis. So speed ratio lambda varies from 0 to some 10 values that has been given, and for each and every value the power coefficient value has been calculated and plotted, and the curve has been plotted as shown in the figure. And these are the various characteristics curve, wind velocity distribution. This is the curve velocity distribution, and this is an example of energy yield, the variation between wind velocity and energy percentage. And this is a wind turbine modes. So for the no speed, when there is no speeds, when there is low speed, rated speed, high speed. So these are various ranges. What will be the velocity range, time, energy that has been given. So these are the model of the wind turbine model, and these are the characteristics curve, the converter topologies. Everything has been studied, and then at last you need to conclude the study experiment. Okay, so this is experiment number 8, and hope this details will be helpful to you. Thank you.